Hey there, fellow underdog entrepreneurs. In today's video, I want to show you what is quite possibly the best feature of ClickUp 3.0. I can't believe nobody's even talking about it too. I'm talking about the Snooze feature that is built right into the all-new inbox of ClickUp 3.0. Let's get clicky with it. I want to show you what I'm talking about here. If you're not familiar, there is an all-new experience for 3.0 with Inbox, but they've improved it. Inboxes have a tendency to make me a little bit crazy, especially with notification bubbles. So I hate notification bubbles. I have all notification bubbles turned off on my phone. It stresses me out. But at the same time, I don't want to miss anything that might be important. I don't want to forget to do something. So I'm so happy that ClickUp came out with a Snooze feature in the new inbox. Now, I'm working on this right now, and if you'll see here, I've got inbox 0, which makes me so happy. But if I go into other, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about with the Snooze feature. If you come over here, you'll see a new feature. You can just hit the letter Z on your keyboard, and it will pop up this menu. And then you can snooze it for 2 hours. You can snooze it till tomorrow. You can snooze it till next week, or you can actually choose the time and date that is best for you. And for me, I do calendar blocking. I try to batch all of my tasks together all at the same time. So this allows me to snooze a notification inside of ClickUp to a point in time where I'm ready to work on that. And if you're not familiar with task batching, calendar batching, whatever you want to call it, it has a couple names. Check out this video right here I did a while back on calendar batching. It has been a huge time saver, a huge game changer for keeping me calm, and I need all the help that I can get to stay calm. You know what I'm talking about as a fellow underdog entrepreneur. I'm a big fan of staying calm. And being an introverted OCD, attention deficit disorder, hyperactive entrepreneur, this poses many challenges to all of us. And if you're the same way, drop that in the comments. Let me know that I'm not alone. So having little features like the snooze function inside of ClickUp has helped me so much. And I have used that, as you can see, all day long. So if you're still here, I did want to also give you a quick sneak peek at something that I'm working on right now. I'm going to go back into my ClickUp. I want to show you that calm methodology that I try to live by. I'm actually working on a workshop right now that is all about some of the things that I've done to make my life a bit more calm. So I'm going to go through and talk about how to unlearn. I've had to unlearn so many habits, so many ways of doing things, so many different ways of looking at life. So I'm going to go through all of that. I'm going to show you how to systematize, create systems and process that work for you. So if you're an introvert, you're OCD, you have ADHD, or you just want to be better at getting things done, drop a link or drop a comment for me in the description down below so that I know that you're interested, because I'm going to build this out and share this with as many people that I possibly can coming up. As if you're watching this is at the end of 2023. So thank you so much, ClickUp, for releasing that small hidden feature that means so much to folks just like me. So thanks for checking out this video. I've got links to a few more videos if you want to continue binge watching. Since you're here, if you could help a brother out too and like and subscribe, that helps the YouTube algorithm. You know how things go. But anyway, next time I will see you in the next video. Let's get clicky with it.